Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is going to be a soft cut crease with a pop of glitter using Pop Beauty product. Pop Beauty sent me a PR package containing these items. The first item is the Makeup Magnet Mist. The second item is a Prismatic Pop highlighter in ultraviolet light. And the third one is the Lightshow eyeshadow palette, which literally just fell. My heart just shattered to pieces. I was really excited to use this and I'm glad I did. Some of them, I mean, only 3 broke out of the entire palette, but it still sucks and yeah, I'm a little heartbroken. I want to give Pop Beauty a huge shout out and thank you so much for sending this PR package my way. I really do appreciate it. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, just go ahead and keep on watching. First, I will be applying my Plouise base to prime my lid. For eyeshadow, I will be using the Pop Beauty Lightshow palette Dusk Deluxe. I will be using these shades. With a fluffy brush, I will be applying this shade all over the lid. With that same base, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. To set the base, I will be using the lightest shade of the palette. I will also be applying this shade here. For the cut crease, I will be using my NYX Glitter Primer. Once I outline the crease with the glitter glue, I will be applying the blue glitter. Once I cut the crease, I'm going to go ahead and connect from this end to the corner of my eye. For my brow bone, I will be applying the lightest shade of the palette. Today's lashes is going to be the IMV 3D Collection by Kiss, style number 6. To moisturize my skin, I will be using Pixie Skin Treats. This is the hydrating milky lotion that I received in a PR package. And I am doing a 30-day trial to see how my skin reacts. And I will be doing a skincare routine using all of their products, so stay tuned for that. For foundation, I will be using Joah by Kiss, Truly Yours in shade Natural Beige. For concealer, I will be using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. To set my face, I will be using the Selfie Ready Setting Powder by Joah in shade Banana. To bronze my face, I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in Rich Amber. For blush, I will be applying Thin Lizzy's Blush Trio in shade Peaches and Cream, which is more of an orangey tone. For highlight, I will be using the Prismatic Pop in shade Ultraviolet by Pop Beauty. For my bottom lash line, I will be applying Damage Control by Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette. For lip liner, I will be using the Exaggerate Full Color Lip Liner by Rumour London. As a topper, I will be using my Sparkling Lip Gloss by Too Faced in shade Sunset Crush. To seal everything together, I will be using the Makeup Magnet Mist. Alright guys, so that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!